Whenever people hear AI agents, they often think it's just an LLM connected to some tools. But in reality, successful AI systems use proven design patterns. Just like software engineering has MVC, microservices, event-driven architecture, AI agents also have reusable patterns. In this video, we will cover the most important AI agent design patterns that every software engineer, architect, and AI professional should know. Okay. So let's discuss the first pattern, reflection pattern. The reflection pattern allows an AI agent to review, critique, and improve its own output before returning the final response. So think, review, and improve. Why it is needed? AI agents can make mistakes such as incorrect answers, missing information, poor quality code, hallucination. Instead of directly responding, the agent performs a self-check. So benefits are higher accuracy, better quality responses, reduced hallucinations, improved code generation, more reliable outputs. Okay. So now let's take an example. User writes a SQL query to find top 5 customers. Agent generates query and immediately returns it. Query may contain mistakes. But with reflection, user requests, agent generate SQL query, review query, fix issues, return improved query, similar to a developer performing a code review before committing code. Okay, so this is about a reflection pattern. Let's see the next pattern, planning pattern. The planning pattern enables an AI agent to break a complex task into smaller, manageable steps before executions. So, goal, plan, execute. Why it is needed? Large tasks are difficult to execute correctly in a single attempt. Without planning, steps may be missed, execution becomes chaotic, results become inconsistent. Benefits of using planning pattern: better task organization, improved reliability, easier tracking of progress, better handling of complex workflows. Let's see one example. User request, migrate our application to AWS. Agent plan, analyze application, design target architecture, create AWS resources, migrate data, deploy application, validate migration. Then execute each step one by one. Similar to how a project manager creates a project plan before starting work. This is about planning pattern. Now next pattern is tool use pattern. The tool use pattern allows an AI agent to use external systems and tools to perform actions or retrieve information. So LLM plus tools equal to agent. Why it is needed? LLMs alone cannot access live information, query databases, call APIs, perform enterprise actions. They need external tools. So what are the benefits? Access real-time information, enterprise integrations, ability to perform actions, more powerful automation. So let's see one example. User requests. What is today's USD to INR exchange rate? Agent calls for XAPI, retrieve latest rate, returns answer. Without the API, the model may provide outdated information. Okay, if we are going to use any API or we are going to connect with any of the external systems, then we are using a tool. Okay, so another example are agent accessing Jira, ServiceNow, GitHub, or Salesforce. These all are connected using tools. React pattern. React stands for reason plus act. The agent continuously reasons about the situation, performs actions, observes results, and adjusts its next action. So reason, act, observe, and repeat. So why it is needed? Many problems cannot be solved in a single step. Agents often need to gather information before making decisions. What are the benefits? Dynamic decision making, better adaptability, improved problem solving, handles unknown situations. Let's see one example. User requests, find the latest AI news and summarize it. Agent, first reason, need latest information. Act, search internet. Observe, find articles. Reason, select more relevant articles. Act, summarize findings, return response. Similar to how an investigator gathers evidence before reaching a conclusion. Multi-agent pattern. The multi-agent pattern uses multiple specialized agents working together to achieve a common goal. Divide and conquer. Why needed? One agent cannot always be an expert in everything. Complex tasks often require multiple skills. Benefits: specializations, better scalability, parallel execution, higher quality outcomes. Let's see one example. Software development project. Manager agent, then research agents, which actually gathers requirements. Architecture agent creates design. Coding agent writes code, testing agent validates code, review agents checks quality. Each agent focuses on its own expertise, similar to how a real software team operates. Okay. Next is human in the loop pattern. The human in the loop pattern requires human approval, validation, or intervention before critical actions are executed. So AI suggests, human approves, then execute. Why it is needed? Some decisions are too important to fully automate. Examples: financial transactions, medical recommendations, legal decisions, production deployments. Okay. Benefits: increased trust, better governance, reduced risks, regulatory compliance, human oversight. Let's see one example. Banking scenario: agent identifies suspicious transactions, agent recommends blocking account. Human fraud analyst reviews recommendation, approve or reject. Action executed. This prevents costly mistakes caused by fully autonomous systems. Okay, let's see the quick summary. Reflection: check your own work. Planning: plan before acting. Tool use external capabilities. React, think, act, and learn continuously. Multi-agent, divide and conquer. Human in the loop, keep humans in the control. So that's about AI agent design patterns. Thank you.